Come and cook with Nene Chef. Let's learn fun recipes and fall in love with cooking.
Hi, Nene!
Hey,
Hi, guys!
Tay.
Are you ready for cooking, Nene?
Yeah.
And we have an special friends today. We have one elephant, two elephants, two hanghais, and one dinosaur. And they come here to learn how to cook today.
Yeah.
And today we are going to cook a special cookies. It's a special family cookies. And there are oat cookies. And Nene are going to teach you how to make it. I am going to tell Nene what ingredients he's going to put in the bowl and he is going to make it. Yes? And you are ready, Nene?
Yeah.
Yes? But what's the first thing that we need to do
Wash
before
your hands.
cooking? Wash your hands. Go to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Are you ready? Show me your hands. Okay. What's the second thing that we need to do before cooking? Turn on the oven. But Nene, come here. But Nene, come here. You need the supervision of an adult to make it. You cannot turn the oven. Who can turn the oven? Okay, so I am going to turn the oven. I am going to turn the oven at 350 so it can start preheat. Okay? Okay, are you ready, kids? Are you ready, Nene? Are you ready, friends?
Yeah.
Oh, let's start. For the yummy oat cookies, we need melting butter. We need flour. Where is the flour? But you can use normal flour. We use oat flour, okay? And then we need, okay, then we need, what is the sugar? We need sugar. You can use regular sugar. We are using today monk fruit, okay? We need baking soda. We need one egg. What is the egg? What is the egg? We need oats. Where are the oats? We need baking powder. It's here.
Yeah.
We need some cereal like corn flakes or brown flakes. We have it here. Try one. And then we need some dark chocolate. Yummy. And vanilla too. And one thing that we miss again. The salt. What the salt do to the cakes and all the food? No. The salt makes the flavor of the food. Okay, we can start. We are ready. Yeah, the baking powder makes the cake goes up. We are going to put here a ragu sauce. No? We don't have here a ragu sauce. We don't need a ragu sauce. We can put here some grapes. We don't have grapes here. This is not for the recipe. Okay, Nene. Start putting in here some water. No? We don't need water. Okay. Nene, start with the melting butter. You can start with that. Easy? Yes? All. And then you are going to add a cup of sugar. Okay? A cup of sugar. But we are using monk fruit, so we are going to use the half. Where is the half? this one or this one? The half has 1 and number 2. Yes? And 1 cup just has 1 number. Okay? You can put the sugar.
She's not Mama.
All.
She's not Mama.
Oh. And you are going to mix the butter and the sugar
Mama.
until the sugar disappears in the butter.
Yeah.
I am seeing him some sugar. Yes. The next step is put the egg here.
No. No here.
You cannot put all the eggs like this.
No.
If I put it in, no. So show me and show the kids how you put the egg in the butter. Okay. Show the kids. No all. So how? They don't know how. You can teach them.
No pizza.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Here, this is plastic. Yes.
No, hey, Mama.
Good, Nene. And then you are going to put this one here. We start mix.
Yeah, Mama. Do yapping, Mama.
It's all yellow. Yes.
No sugar.
No, the sugar. Yes.
Yeah.
Mix.
No, Mama.
You need to mix together all the butter, the sugar, and the egg. More.
What happened?
More.
Uh-oh.
15. Good. Next step, you are going to put the vanilla. Yeah. Okay, and mix.
Hey, you know your own, Mama. Hey, you know your own, Mama.
Vanilla is not yellow, no.
Your
It's
own.
like a brown, dark color, no?
Your own. Your own, Mama.
It is still yellow. Next step, Nene. For next step, Nene, you are going to put a cup of flour. This recipe is too easy because all is like 1 cup, 1 butter, one egg. It's easy. Yes, it's easy. So you are going to do here 1 cup of flour. Okay. More. You are going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Okay. This is your baking soda. Good, Nene.
Mama.
What is the baking powder? Okay, I am going to help you to open. Yeah, baking powder helps for doing that. Okay, put here the baking powder. No, it's too much. Yes, okay. And then a 1 teaspoon of salt. Quart is when it says 1 and 4, okay? Good job. Yeah. 1,000. Mix. Good, Nene, good job. You have everything together. Next step is the oat, the chocolates, and the brown flakes. We are going to start with a cup of oat. 1 cup of oat. Oat is 1 cup. 1 cup of oat. Hold it. Yes. Then mix again. Mix. Mix. Nummy. Okay. Mix. Mix hard. 500.
Papa.
500.
No.
1,000.
Yeah.
1,000. 2,000. More. is 1 cup of bran flakes or corn flakes. Okay? 1 cup.
Hey, Mama.
I can help you.
Mom.
The bran flakes are going to make the crunchy in your cookie.
Ah.
Okay, mix.
Oh, here.
100, 1,000, 5,000. Click, click, click. Mix, mix, mix. The next step is something yummy that all the kids love. It's chocolate. Do it like a chocolate rain. Like this, like this, like this. Uh-oh. What is good? And you are going to mix it again. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix. Right now, we are going to put the cookie dough in a pan. And we are going to put a not a stick paper. So it is going to be better for us, okay? And you are going to put it like this. I am going to show you, okay? You are going to take a spoon and then put it like this, but a little bit separate because they are going to grow, okay? Good. Good, Nene.
Look. No need, Mama.
Okay,
No
good.
need, Mama. No need.
Good.
Chop, chop, chop. No need. No
Good,
need.
good, good. Let's go. Perfect, Nene. You did a great job. What's the next step? Oh, okay. Wait, wait, wait. Who need to help you with the oven?
Mama need.
Yes, 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 yes. You can help me to open if you put your...
Okay, me.
Okay.
Hey, Mama.
And Mama.
Mama.
You can open it. Open.
Yeah.
So we are going to put the cookies for 15 minutes. What we need to do is clean up, 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 clean. Nene, we have 15 minutes. We can play something. Do you want to play with your farm?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start.
Do ya? Oh, Mama.
Hey, Nene, who is this?
A
A pig. Uh-oh, the pigs goes down. The cat. I am going to put the horse here. No. Here. Like this. Okay, Nene, the cookies are ready. Cookies are ready and we can eat it after lunch, okay? Because right now are hot and they need to cool a little bit, okay? So, say the kids to subscribe your channel. Hopefully they like your channel. Subscribe your channel and like. See you next time.
Thank you for watching.